Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing you some tips on how to start a bullet journal. So first, let's start with this introduction. So what is bullet journal? Bullet journal is a method of personal organization developed by designer Ryder Carroll. This is a system that organizes reminders, to-do lists, brainstorming, and other organizational tasks into one single notebook. So, before starting a bullet journal, you should be aware whether you are using it as a planner or to increase your productivity. I personally use it to increase my productivity, but it can definitely vary on different person. Now, let's move on to supplies. So, the basic things you need to start a bullet journal is a notebook and a pen. For notebooks, you may use dotted, grade, plain notebook or even line notebook. Yes, even line notebook. I have used line notebook in the past and they do work just the same. But I do prefer dotted notebooks for now. The one that I'm using currently is from Stallion and it works perfectly for me. For pen, you can simply go off with a normal black pen and then move on towards brush pens, highlighters, watercolor, stamps or whatever you prefer. Now, after you have got all of your supplies, you need to set up your bullet journal. It is quite simple. All you need to do is write down your name at the front of the journal. You can also customize your journal with some stickers or even add a cover to your notebook for protection. The first spread in a bullet journal is key. Having a spread for key proves to be very helpful, especially for a beginner. It is simply a collection of symbols that denotes a particular work. In my key, I've added tags, in progress, completed, moved, cancel, appointment, completed, waiting, and important. While setting up for weeklies, you can simply flip over the pages and use the symbol. The next is future log. Future log is same like a calendar except it has got some space where you can fill up with your plans and memories. It is a great way to log all the important and fun events you have in your life. I actually make an annual future log, but you can also break it down to 6 months or even 3 months. But do make sure that you check on it at least once a month. Monthly themes. So you must have seen a tons of pictures on the internet of different types of monthly theme, but it is not necessary. You can simply write down the name of the month and go on. But since I also use my bullet journal as a creative outlet, I do like to create new themes every month. If you also feel the same, then here are 100 different themes idea that you can use in your bullet journal. Monthly log. A monthly log is also a simple calendar where you can write down important dates, appointment, birthday, or any other special occasions that you might have. If you love simplicity, then you can simply go for a vertical calendar. But you can also go and try out different types of monthly logs. Weekly log. A weekly log is a breakdown of all the days in a week. You can do a very simple weekly log where you can simply highlight the day and write down the tasks, or you can also try some other types of weekly like the Dust Store Weekly. I do have a video on how to make different types of dust drawer weekly. So if you are interested, the link will be in the description. Trackers. Now this includes tons of trackers that you can add to your bullet journal if you want. This includes habit tracker, mood tracker, sleep tracker, weight tracker, period tracker, goal tracker, and expense tracker. These are super customizable and they can be very motivating too, so you can add them if you want. Specials. The special includes tons of things that you might want to add in a bullet journal. It includes a monthly playlist, brain dump, bucket list, memory spread, gratitude log, quotes, and affirmations. So these were all the basic things according to me that you need to know in order to start a bullet journal. If you have some more ideas, then do feel free to drop them down. I would love to know them. That's all for today and I'll see you in my next video.